What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how to do a custom font in What's up guys, I'm gonna show you in today's tutorial how to do a custom font on Instagram. So first, I wanted to go to Fonts IG on Google Chrome. Once you're in, I want you to type the type of text you want to use. For example, I write my name here. Then choose whatever font you want. I'm gonna go with this one, so I'm gonna copy it. Then I'm gonna go to my Instagram account. Then go to my profile, edit profile. And here, you can use it wherever you want, like in your username or your bio. And that's it guys.